What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over SPX6900. Very nice bounce out of our target zone, sitting at $1.34. We're up 25% in the last 24 hours. Market cap 1.24 billion, 24 hours volume 169 million. We're not trading this one. We're just believing in something. But I am covering the analysis. So as you can see, nice drop into our wave forward pullback zone. I did scoop up a little bit more at the $1 range, which I'll have to keep separately from my main bag, which the average price is right around 45 cents. Shout out to everyone that got in below that. You're the real MVP. So if we were to push from here, I can give you a wave 5 target. All you need to do is take a trend-based swim extension from the bottom of the wave 2 up to the top of the wave 3, down to the wave 4, and then you would target the 61.8, the 78.6 for your wave 5, in between $2.31 and $3.05. If we roll over, then you'd be looking at some sort of ABC correction. You would come down potentially to 82 cents before the bounce. That's if we roll over. But as of right now, nice bounce back to the upside. So if BTC were to continue up, these would be your targets to look for. If we look at the daily chart for our friend SPX, once we get out of, we break above this high of about $1.76, we re-enter into price discovery, which is always exciting times in the market. So shout out to everyone that is a believer. We're not trading this one, but I will be covering the analysis. So subscribe if you would like to see more. We are currently in a trade for Ethereum and hit our TP1. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time and sign up to Bitfinex. That's it. There's no strings attached. Just click that top link down below. That's all you got to do, and sign up and send me an email. There's no strings attached, and I will send you the link, which includes my daily crypto analysis for all your favorite projects, including SPX, my exact trade setups when I trade for Ethereum, what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits, almost 3,000 members in the group, and all you got to do is sign up to Bitfinex, one of the top exchanges. Will take 30 seconds of your time. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.